In this video, I'll show you how to add staff to your Spark platform and get them linked to their own Spark portal. You can add as many staff members as you want to your Spark school and also customize their access levels so they can't see all of the data within your account. Staff can also be assigned to specific classrooms or pods and only access the tools within that self-contained classroom to keep it running smoothly. To create a staff member, go to the quick link on your dashboard, Add Staff, or go over to Admin, People, Staff, and click Add New Staff. Here you'll enter his name, his contact email, and his phone number. Once you create the new staff member, you'll enter his information section. This is where you can add more information or change it as needed. You can also add notes about the staff member and make them personal so that only you can see the notes, or school-wide so all staff can see the note. To give this staff member access to his portal, go to Portal Access. Here you can either enter his email address or give him a username. If you give him a username, the invitation to enter his portal will go to his contact email. You can also decide to send the invitation email later or do it now. Once you send this invitation email, he will receive an email from your Spark school. He'll need to open that and accept the invitation. This will take him to a login screen where he can enter his password. The email address or username you provide plus the password he creates will be his login credentials. In this section, called Access Levels, you can determine the level of access you want to give this staff member. By default, he will have access to everything in your Spark school, except for actions that only you as the owner can take, such as archiving your school. You can change the access by selecting specific resources and features that you want the staff member to be able to see. Many administrators limit their staff to just their classrooms and then take away access to everything else except calendar events, communications, and chat. This way, this staff member can get into his classroom and create assignments and grade books and keep attendance, and then also view school events on the calendar and communicate with his students and families through the communications and chat features. At any time, you can click Interactive Edit and view exactly what your staff member can view in his school. In the Courses page of this staff member, you can view the courses that he has created. Courses can be shared across your Spark school, but can be owned by certain staff members. On the Files page, you can upload as many files as needed for this staff member. Staff can also upload files to their own section and store them here. You can also create nested folders within other folders to keep your files organized. To recap, you can create as many staff members as you need in your Spark platform under Admin, People, and Staff. You can link your staff members to their portals by clicking into that staff member and going to Portal Access. And then you can also limit the access levels for that staff member in the Access Levels section.